There's nothing in this world can satisfy. I can only conclude